Hey everybody, this is Christina, and I'm the person behind the Bagjunki shop. And like I stated before, I said that for 30 days in November that I was going to do a video every single day. So already off the rip, this is going to be a challenge, but of course, this is something that I want to do, and I want to take my business to another level, and I kind of want people to see what I consist of, what I'm about, who I am, because mainly I'm behind the scenes, so I kind of want to be on the front end now and stuff out there more in a positive way, as far as for my business. But this is the first episode of the vlog series that I'm doing for the month of November. So, yes, this is the first episode. This is mainly about what to expect for the rest of the month and so on, also what I'm going to be doing, also just a little bit of info, or my thoughts on stuff and things like that, just mainly what to expect, starting for November. So like I said, I'm going to be doing tutorials, how to's, DIYs, um, maybe some vlogs, kind of like information behind the scenes of how to do this, how to make t-shirts, how to start up a t-shirt business, how to start up a vinyl business, my thoughts on some of the websites that are out there, my thoughts on Etsy, my thoughts on, just pretty much everything. Some of my favorite apps, or apps that I use in order to, um, you know, edit videos and images and things like that. Any that come to mind, because I do have 30 days to come up with content. So if there's something in particular that you want to see or have questions about or want to learn how to make, just comment below, DM, or however, because this video will be posted on YouTube. That's where everything, well, the full videos would be uploaded to YouTube, and then I might have partial videos to let you know what to expect on my YouTube page, on Instagram or IGTV, and possibly Twitter as well, and possibly Facebook, but I'm not sure yet, but mainly Instagram. So, like I stated before, my name's Christina. I'm the person behind the Bagjunki shop. The Bagjunki shop consists of handmade bags, which are my bread and butter. That's what started the business. I have t-shirts, I have hoodies, I have sweaters, I have sweatshirts, I have keychains, I have kimonos, I have cardigans, I have pretty much everything. I've even dabbled into furniture. I've reupholstered furniture as well. So I could kind of do pretty much anything, or I will learn how to do it. I pretty much teach myself how to do everything. So that's kind of the purpose of the vlog episode series for November. I want to be able to help other people at the same time, and then let people understand and come into my world, what I'm about, and kind of like behind the scenes of what it takes to do some of the things that I do, and make some of the things that I make. So, like I said, also another thing that I might start doing, I might do like an entrepreneur info, like my thoughts on some of these other businesses, or how to rebrand, how to do this and do that. I'm thinking of some of the questions now, but that's just something to expect. If there's a question that you have, comment below, send me an email, or send me a DM. However, it doesn't even really matter, just as long as you send me that comment. But that is the sole purpose of this channel. I want to push myself, because I do consider myself to be an introvert. I really like to stay to myself. I like to just focus on my work and things like that, and I want to kind of be the complete opposite of that now, if that makes any type of sense. But if I could help somebody in the meantime, as well as help myself, then why not? That is the general purpose. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, just comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel, and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of when I post new content, which will be daily. That's my goal, daily. Also, be sure to follow me on Instagram too, so you can keep up with some of the products that I've made, or just to keep up what I have going on for that particular time. So yeah, be sure to follow everything, hit the notifications, subscribe, and all that other good stuff. So like I say, guys, work with me. This is my first video. I just wanted to give you an update of what to expect from here on out for the month of November with the Bag Junkie shop. Okay? Alright, see y'all in my next video.